Hello everybody. Recently added a CO2 infusion system to my nature Driftwood planet fish tank. This regulator I purchased online is made by Aquatek. It is specifically designed for paintball CO2 cylinders, and comes ready to go out the box. It includes a bubble counter, and you just have to supply the CO2 paintball cylinder, some silicone tubing, and the diffuser or atomizer, and you're pretty much good to go. This is my nature Driftwood planet tank that I've shown in, I think, one previous video. As far as the fauna, everything's pretty much the same. I have a cardinal tetra. There you see them schooling with some glow light tetra, hill stream loach, coolie loach is hiding somewhere in the tank, a mono shrimp. I don't know if I've got a good shot of that or not, but there's an amano in there somewhere. Some barbs. As far as the plants, many of these come from clippings from my Jungle Ruin Aquascape Fluval Spec, Rotala indica, Purple Kabamba, Dwarf Lily, and Taiwanese Moss. Here's the infusion system in the back here. There you see the electronic solenoid attached to the Aquatek Regulator, which is mounted on the paintball CO2 cylinder. The tubing runs into this bubble counter. Right now I have it going at about a bubble a second, and right into the tank through the CO2 diffuser or atomizer. See the bubbles, very fine. Maximizes the surface area and the dissolution of the CO2 into the fish tank. Probably want to get something to push the flow so it disperses a little bit better. Might even want to add an air pump to get some oxygen back into the water when the lights are out. But this is what I have going so far, and more upgrades and additions will follow. TheBettaMaster here, and as always, thanks for watching.